What is Google Adsense? Adsense is a Google advertise program that last we host third-party ads on your blog, website, on YouTube. We know those ads on the top or side of the page of you see on website. The blog, the properly part of Google AdSense. What do we need? I sign up for Google AdSense. Sign up for AdSense is easier than we think. All we need a Gmail account, a phone number, an address, and a site or YouTube channel. Connect your AdSense account to. Who can sign up for Google AdSense? Our age 18. You are meet the above mentioned creation can sign up and use AdSense to monetize all ads. Go to select the amount I clicked. Fill in the web address of your site or blog. If we have one, your country of origin, and agree to the terms and condition of use of the platform. Remember that create an AdSense account we need to have our demand because partnership with blog. How I set AdSense with YouTube channel.